All right, guys, if you want to see if this flat iron is worth the hype, just stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a first impression video on my brand new flat iron. Flat iron. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Now, I know that you guys have seen tons of reviews on YouTube about this, and so have I, but this iron is new to me, so I decided to do a first impression video. Now, I don't intend on straightening my hair because this is a loose wave hair and I don't want it straight. However, for the sake of this video, I decided that I might just straighten one or two sections just to show you guys and to see for myself how good this damn iron is. Now, the reviews that I've seen, it was kind of hit or miss. Some people said that they loved it. Some people said that it didn't do what they expected it to do. So this is the BaBylissPro. And this is the Nano Titanium Prima 3000. I bought the 1 1/4 inch, and it was between this or the 1 inch. And I know that for me personally, it's so much easier for me to curl my hair with the 1 inch. And I wasn't sure which one I was going to get, but I decided to go with the larger size. This is a stainless steel straightening iron with titanium plates. And it goes up to 465 degrees, and it's full wave thermal science, high density, dual ceramic heating system, 20% faster heat up and instant recovery. Okay, if it says so. Now, I purchased this from Ulta. I wanted to actually go to the store and get it, but we all know about the damn corona going around. So I decided that the best thing for me would be ordering it from line. So after doing a lot of research online, I decided that I was going to purchase it. Now, in all honesty, I was a little uncertain on if I was going to buy it or not. It was between this and another iron. I think it was called the Croc Classic Black Flat Iron. And that was listed for about $140, $150. And that had a lot of really good reviews. However, when I went on YouTube, I didn't see tons of videos on it. And I had never heard of that brand before. So because Babyliss is a well-known brand, I decided to just give it a chance. And if all else fails, please believe I will be returning it for my damn money back. So the original price was $179.95. However, I found a promotional code online and I also had a $3 reward. So after applying all those discounts, I end up paying $143 and some change. So let's round it up to $144, which I thought was a really good deal. So prior to buying this flat iron, I used a ceramic iron. Now, guys, I'm almost afraid to show you guys the iron that I've been using, but honestly, I've had this iron for years and it worked. But I decided that it's a new year and it's time to upgrade my damn flat iron. All right, so this flat iron, honestly, guys, I didn't have any issues with it. So it's by Tool Science. I don't know if you guys have heard of it, but I got it from Sally Beauty Supply store like a long time ago. So you can tell this bad boy is so old because up here used to be red, but over time, it just kind of rubbed off. And, you know, using something like this is not that healthy for your hair because even inside on the plates, it's stripping a little, but it really did a good job. I have 2 more flat irons that I bought from Sally that are also ceramic. I don't even know. I think they're by GVC, but they don't do anything. I hate them. They never heated up well. And I always ended up using the Tool Science because it always did the job. All right, so let's open this up. So the box is nice. And honestly, for as much as I paid for this damn flat iron, the box better be nice. All right, so I'm just gonna open this up, which seems impossible. And I hope I don't break a nail. Jesus Christ, how the hell? All right, so y'all didn't do a video on this showing me how to open up this damn box. Okay. Oh. Damn. Whew. It looks so good. I honestly don't want to use it. Look at this, guys. It's really pretty. This display is really, really nice. Oh. All right, so you see this? Shiny, shiny, nice. All right, so this is crazy. All right, so they really fasten this thing in the box. Woo. I don't know about you guys, but I love the smell of new. And this definitely has the smell of new. All right, so this, after this comes out, it's literally just the empty box. Comes with directions, and it looks like it also comes with this half glove. So I'll show you guys this in a minute. So it has some zip ties back here. So let's cut these off. All right. Ooh-wee. I don't even want to touch it. It looks so shiny. All right. So it looks really, really good. It's really good, guys. Look at this. Very well designed. This is so smooth, and this is so much more different than my tool science that was totally stripped up in the middle. Just by looking at the plates, you already know that this is gonna glide down your hair, and it should make it super, super silky. So this little swivel is so convenient. So when you're doing curls in your hair, it won't get, the cord won't get wrapped up around your hand. All right, so this glove came with it, which honestly, I'm probably not gonna use. Even with my curling wands, they always come with gloves, and I never, what the? Okay. Guys, I don't even know how to use this glove. What's this, for somebody with 3 fingers? How do you wear the glove? Oh God, guys. Okay. All right. This is okay. So I guess if you won't burn yourself, yeah, this won't get used. No. All right, so, I mean, I guess it's good to have, and I'm sure some people might end up using it, but me personally, that doesn't have any use for me. So let's try this. I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to see how long it heats up. And then I'm going to do a section of my hair. And then I'm going to let you guys know my honest opinion. Now, if all fails, I'll be returning this and ordering something else. All right, guys, let me plug this in. All right, so it's all plugged in. And let me turn it on. All right, so it has the on and off button. It also has a plus and a minus sign. So I'm thinking obviously the plus is to add heat. The minus is to reduce the heat. The lowest temperature you can have it on is 300. And again, the highest you can have it on is 465. My tool science, that only went up to 450, but I've never used it that high. The highest I've ever used that was 400, maybe 410. All right, so I'm going to put this one up to, let's do 380. So if you can see, it's the 380. And honestly, it's already smoking. So it has a little lock here, which locks the plates. It's very cute for storing if you're going to store it in a drawer or under your bathroom cabinet. All right. It seems really hot. Now, again, I'm not going to straighten everything. I'm just literally going to take out a section because I do wear this hair curly. And since I am a natural sister under all this hair, and I do have a leave out, my leave out is pretty curly and pretty textured, and it blends in very well with this hair to where I'm not putting any heat on my hair. This hair is pretty thick and I have straightened it, but even when I straightened it, I never used any heat on my natural hair. I was able to just put some polisher on it, put some moisturizer on it, and just tied it down really tight with my scarf, and it just kind of smoothed out my hair. All right, let's try this. So I'm not going to start from the top because I do have a leave out and I don't want to put any heat in my hair. It is smoking, guys, smoking. Oh, that's just pulling it through one time. I don't know if you can see the smoke, but it's really smoking. I'm going to pull it through one more time. Oh, you see the smoking? And it's at 380. Ooh. This gets really hot, guys. This gets really hot. If I decided to use this on my natural hair, I would definitely probably keep it to 300, 340. All right, so look at the difference now. Don't look at the top because, again, I didn't start it from the top because I do have my leave out, but look at the difference. Look at this. Look. It got really straight, guys. Oh, yeah. This made me want to straighten the whole thing, but I'm not going to. All right, so you saw it for yourself. This flat iron is definitely a keeper. I'm sure it's probably not the best flat iron out there, but for a flat iron that's worth almost $200, it's, in my opinion, it's definitely worth the money. Guys, do you see the difference? Do you see the difference? Look at this. 2 pass-throughs, and this hair is bone straight. Bone straight. And it wasn't even on the highest setting. I only put it on 380 and it was really, really hot. So imagine I put it on 465. I would have burned this damn hair off. So I would say if you're going to purchase this bomb iron, you do not need to put it on the highest setting. You can really keep it on 340 to 380 and you will get really good results. Now, this is obviously a good textured hair. If you have really, really, really thick, stubborn hair, then maybe you could move it up to 410. But honestly, I wouldn't put it past that or else you're going to end up bald headed. But other than that, this is a really good flat iron. All right, guys, so just so you can see, after flat ironing my hair at 385 degrees, 2 pass-throughs, I wanted to make sure that after doing that, my hair would convert back to its natural state once I applied water, because sometimes a lot of these flat irons, the heat is so hot that it's very hard to get your curl back. So I went into the bathroom and I kind of damped my hair with some water and bam. Look at this. Look at this. So this was the same piece that I straightened less than a minute ago. Look at this. You can't even tell that I straightened it. All right. So if you were curious to know if your hair would revert back after using a titanium flat iron, the answer is yes. I'm back. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. If you haven't already done so, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a brand new video. All right, see you in the next video.